We already know how to close the biodiversity financing gap. What's missing is political leadership. Governments around the world have three critical levers they can utilize, importantly, without any new money. First, reform harmful subsidies. Today, globally, we're spending 33 times more incentivizing harmful activities than on nature conservation. Second, fully integrate nature into economic and financial systems. And third, de-risk and incentivize private investment. This isn't about increasing the fiscal budget. It's about redirecting existing capital. Because policy sets the rules and the market follows.